I'm gonna record and we're gonna see how long until my save data just corrupts.
Broadcast detected.
Okay.
It'll stop automatically whenever I run out of storage, so we'll just see how far it gets. It's gonna be like 5 minutes of recording, I guarantee it.
I'm getting some drip.
Where are you? Oh, you're getting some drip. I should have fucking guessed. What? Hello?
Agent, we've just received a distress call from New York. There's been an attack on the division, and they requested immediate support. Meet me on the White House South Lawn. There's a helicopter prepped for us. We need to leave now.
That was a good deal.
Big 716.
Oh, spend some points for your specialist skill tree.
That's what I was doing.
Oh, okay. We're seeking skilled tradesmen. 10% increased central weapon damage. No.
Oh, I equipped the sharpshooter uniform, motherfucker.
Hell yeah.
And the anniversary backpack. Damn, I look pretty decent. Not gonna lie.
I'm shocked.
I know, I am too. Oh shit. I am. Oh, that's our level 40 requirement. Holy shit.
Oh boy, this thing looks nice.
Who, me?
No,
Yeah,
not
right
you.
on you.
Fuck not you. This revolver I got. Here, want to see my dumbass fit for the my dumbass outfit for the demolition class?
Sure. Oh god.
I'm big as hell.
Mine's for the sharpshooter, and I think it looks pretty good.
I think it looks very good actually. I prefer my bunny ears.
Wait, I need to go test out this pistol. Where should I go?
I don't know, somewhere.
Let's go. Let's go hit a check. Let's go hit one of the strongholds.
Okay.
Let's do the downtown east stronghold.
That's level 32. I'm level 32.
I'm level 32, I think.
Are you level 32 too?
I believe I am level 32 as well. Or should I say 2?
2.
I am level 32 too.
I could text a suicide note to Stanley and she wouldn't respond.
That's crazy. I could text one to Stanley and she'd ask if I was okay.
Oh,
Friendly combatants detected.
I see how it is.
Sorry.
Wait, I did send a suicide note to Stanley. And she hasn't responded. What the fuck? I'm not. I can't even say I could. I have. Bomb drones. Bunny dog! Bunny dog! Bunny dog! I gave him osteoporosis. I gave him osteoporosis. Get down!
Holy shit, Drake.
What?
We'll never let him
Listen to
beat
this
us.
pistol.
I know. Yeah. Oh, for that to make it do 4 damage.
That's good.
8 damage.
Wait.
16 damage. I just headshotted a guy with an SMG through 2 cars. Yeah, this makes sense. Oh, I have to do this rescue operation. Fuck. Incoming.
Drake, it does 22,000 a shot.
Oh, that's more than it's 16. That's a gun. One does more though. This grenade launcher. Oh, that wasn't a fucking grenade launcher, civilian.
Detecting additional hostile contacts.
Public execute.
What's with that bounty? Or not the bounty, the
Black Tusk are
stronghold.
trying to swoop in and secure the hyena stockpile.
Yeah, go.
We can't let that happen. Those supplies could do a lot of good for people in need.
Fuck, I can't go yet. I have to do a rescue operation. God damn it. That wasn't the one. I have to do another one. On behind you. I just see it on the map. It's in here.
Access key detected. Incoming hostiles detected.
Alright, I did it.
Agent,
We're all
we got
good.
project ready for completion at the campus.
What are you doing? Hey. What's up? I'm responding to you. Pop. Oh! Fuck you, asshole.
It's a big building, so be prepared to secure both concourses.
Like that, cabron?
Uh-oh. That's a problem. If I was a loser...
Once you clear the exterior, do a thorough pass on the first concourse.
Come on in, brother. Let's go.
I'm coming all over your face.
Funny dog. Run it all down.
Hey, I remember when we did this.
System
I do too.
curtailed.
Like butter.
Oh, no.
We did.
System reactivated.
I'm filling all their heads with festive bites, bitch.
I'm okay. No heals down. No heals down. This SMG might be a little bit strong.
Serious trauma detected. System malfunctioning.
Keep clearing out Black Tusk as you find them.
System restored.
Take him out, Agent.
System.
Drop the brake!
System reactivated.
Moving to attack!
Got a man down!
Drake, I think my I think my sniper caps at
Electronic
6
device
ammo.
detected.
Probably a
I haven't seen
computer.
it go above it.
Check to see if there's anything
Weird.
useful on there.
Download complete.
Well, is it though? It
According to
does
this report, Black
Okay,
Tusk was
yeah,
covertly
that's-
supplying the hyenas
that's,
with tech and weapons for
not that
months,
weird.
just to keep the city at a constant boil. Now, they aren't just stealing hyenas. They're taking back their property. Can't believe the Black Tusk were supplying the hyenas this whole time.
That's my festive might, motherfuckers.
What?
We need to take a look.
I'll go take it. Going in. Friendly down.
Huh, that was wow.
System disrupted.
Oh yeah! Suck my festive might.
System
Don't
restored.
say that.
Why? I like saying that.
I'm aware.
So I think we got capped out at red when I picked up.
I don't know why you're even here, dog. I'm just cutting through these guys.
I don't know, I feel like I'm on the net line.
You gotta change the sniper class, brother. You gotta. This shit's too good. Close range is just sucking too, and then I'm about to get my shit rocked. Watch this. I'm gonna say all this smack, and then I'm gonna need you in a second.
Seeing activity in the mall, but I can't tell what they're up to.
You both fucking going to the right.
Unfortunately, Drake, since I'm still doing a good amount of damage, I think I'll keep the sniper just because I also love being the sniper.
But there's a flamethrower and a minigun and a rocket launcher and a crossbow.
Satellite uplink detected.
Find the source and cut it off.
Ow. That hurts.
Why the fuck is this at no respawn?
Bypassing encryption.
Big boss? I don't know. There'd they go. That was like 17 people.
literally no one.
Oh, my fault. my fault.
Terminating satellite uplink.
People. Jockey. Chicken jockey.
The uplink has been disconnected. Good work. I'll get our tech guys to try and analyze the data they were pushing, but it looks heavily encrypted. For now, just keep moving.
Just gotta schmove on.
I will say, Drake, I did like $1 billion.
I think we got everything of value from the warehouse.
Hell yeah.
The hyenas kept some weird
In
shit
one
here.
shot.
Roger that.
Hell yeah.
The division is nearly at the garage. Don't let me down.
Fucking pistol, bitch.
Whoever Lane is, sounds like he's waiting for you in the garage.
Your pistol does more damage. Your pistol is a better strategy. Yo, using your pistol is a better strategy, brother.
Getting a headshot with the pistol is doing 41,000 damage.
Yeah, that's fucking good. Oh, it's just spot. Spent like 5 minutes here last time. You think I turned the minigun back on? Nope, they didn't. Oh, fuck 'em. Whoa, I'm blind.
Hostiles have ballistic shields.
Oh, it can like, oh, it's so cool.
Hostiles on the
I mean, not for me, but like, it's fucking cool as hell. Ow.
I'm the one with the shield. This doesn't involve you.
Asshole. Okay, couple things are happening. I'm blind and I'm being shot at with 2 miniguns.
Immediate medical assistance needed.
For the mini tank.
Ow, ow, ow! Fuck! Evan, you're funny drone. These assholes hurt.
Dead agent.
Check, fall to your zone.
Already in it.
Alright.
Lost a man here.
Big boss down. I think I've immobilized all the turrets. Yeah, I've immobilized all the fucking turrets.
So there's one more.
I mean, I've immobilized them, but not dead. Oh, that guy's fucking moving. No, not anymore.
Sounded like a hell of a fight. Now, process of elimination says
It was a
A is in
little
the
bit of a
arena,
mild
which
fight.
means heading through the old hyena drug lab.
Hey, 2 legendary items from it, bro.
Hell yeah.
better. Modify it. Good. Edited. Building. Accuracy. Optimal. Did you start running already?
Yeah. Woohoo! That was fucking cool. And my game into his lad, and I missed like 40 shots. Hell yeah.
Weapons free.
The remaining Black Tusk have nowhere to run and nowhere to hide. Kay is cornered in the arena. Take her out.
Okay. That was funny. I'm very funny. Fuck you. Fuck you.
They're moving. They took a hit.
Doing flanking shit. Oh, they thought they called me out on it. God damn it.
Fuck, Drake, why do you have to say it out loud?
I was flanking them, and then I heard them go flank, and I was like, fuck. Find you. Funny drone. Boy, that shit. Yep.
Just process.
All hostiles neutralized.
Uh-oh.
The arena's
Advancing
back under
invasion.
our control. Good work.
I didn't know. I don't know what that is. I genuinely do not know what that is. Oh, I found a level 26 designated hitter.
Hey, my designated hitter.
It's level 26. It does 22,000 damage per shot.
Oh shit, I found one too.
It does like no damage.
Mine does 32,000 damage a shot.
Oh shit. Mr. Fancy over here. What is I don't know what I don't know what's gonna happen whenever it says advancing and B. I genuinely do not know what's gonna happen. Oh, the music getting louder. What the fuck? This is terrifying.
What is it? There is no music.
Oh, for me it's getting louder.
Why isn't there no music?
Advancing invasion. Oh.
Oh! My god, does this literally just happen every single time?
We're about to find out. Okay. Tidal Basin. Okay. Roosevelt Island. Okay. Okay, Capitol Building. Okay.
Okay. I guess that's
Alright, well. Awesome. I have to go to campus to speak with Henry Hayes.
I probably do too, but I'm going there to turn something in.
Ah. Oh, we have a summary. We have a summary of our actual mission. I'll summarize it for you. You did 15 million damage. You had 28 kills and 2 revives. I did 56 million damage. I had 152 kills and 0 revives.
No comment.
I think you should probably use a different gun, brother. I also, to cherry on top, I had more accuracy than you.
Okay, wait. That's because you shot more times.
No, it means the exact opposite.
Adding honey to our diets is gonna make things taste a lot better around
You're the
here.
sniper and I got
Thanks
more
for helping
accuracy.
bring in
Hell
these
yeah.
hives, Agent.
I'll take it.
Okay, you know what? Fuck you.
Okay.
Idea time.
Oh no.
I'm going to continue being the sniper, but I'm going to use mainly a shotgun.
Thanks.
Okay.
Our supplies are really starting to run low.
Because fuck you. Also, I really like it because
Oh yeah.
What do you say? Think you can help?
he's a man who wants
Okay.
Do you know what we should do, Drake? Do you know what we should do?
Happy?
What?
I'm happy.
We should do that dungeon thing.
Fine.
Good to see you, Agent.
What do I do with this trigger and mechanism?
Nice doing
I think we could just keep it until we get better weapons to upgrade it with. We haven't even reached max level yet. Descent time. I love Descent. It's really funny.
Excuse me.
Excuse you.
Combat simulation program active.
Drake, I can play till 9:10.
Bro, why are you going to bed so early?
I'm not. I got stuff I gotta do.
You said yesterday that you ain't going to sleep today.
I don't remember that.
You got dementia, homeboy.
I do. Dr. Holmes. Shooting an enemy with this weapon will apply a mark missile. Turn. That's the whole party. Holy shit. Flag of Outcast?
Oh, Plague of Outcast is funny.
Times. Holy shit. Bloodsucker, killing an enemy as it crushes a stack of
Ready up.
bullet hell.
Ready up.
I did. But yeah, I got a few things I need to do.
Safe
Okay,
area
I
detected.
gotta take a shower. Right. I gotta take a shower, right?
Access denied. Deactivating shade
No, I swear
protocols.
there was other-
Entering combat simulation program. Simulation activated.
Ooh, all 3 of mine are assault rifles or SMGs.
I think I'm gonna go with an assault rifle.
I'm gonna go with the police M4 and the blinder Firefly.
sticky bomb or the oxidizer.
Oxidizer's a chemical warfare.
Oh, well, look at you. That's what we're doing.
Entering new
Wait,
room.
which way do we go?
Difficulty rating medium. Hostiles constructing.
This is gonna
Hostile
be
spawn
weird.
from
I don't know how to
highlighted
use this
I've never
thing.
used the AR before.
I don't know how to use a fucking Firefly, but we're gonna figure it out, kids.
Keep it tight.
You're blinded. Oh, it just blinded them. Holy shit! I didn't even really know it would do that. It's just straight up blind.
Console active.
Whenever you're within 10 meters of an enemy, performing cover to cover. When your shield is damaged, you gain 5 bonus armor. I will take that. No choice. We're so close.
Entering new room. Difficulty rating hard. Constructing hostile combatant.
I'm gonna blind them. It's my meta strat. Ow! 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 Yeah! Shit.
Console
I just
available.
got fucking annihilated.
Oh shit.
So using my descent credits that are like permanent, you know, at the descent shop, whatever, like not like the tokens, but like the skull credits or whatever. You can get permanent upgrades, and I got health on kill, or at least armor on kill. That's what you should probably get whenever you spend it at the permanent shop. Is just get full armor on kill, because right now I have 12% armor on kill.
I see.
And it's like permanent through all of my runs, so yeah.
Hostiles constructing. Hostile spawn from highlighted doors.
That's not a highlighted door. I'm gonna blind him. Blinded. That was not. Nothing got blinded there. It just exploded.
We're losing people.
Console available.
Really? Already? That was really easy.
Supply station
Yeah.
activated.
The fuck?
Is this the thing that you can buy permanent things at?
No.
Oh. fuck? We're doing unhinged. Ooh.
Entering new room. Difficulty rating. Hard.
Hard.
Just like me, fuckers.
Constructing hostile combatant.
I'm gonna blind these fellas.
I'm gonna detonate these fellas.
Time to do this!
They didn't walk out.
My guys got blinded. Where are they?
Immediate medical assistance needed. Console active.
I think we can do it this time, Drake. We got this.
I don't think we got that. We got this. Oh, that's so good! Oh, that's so good. It goes perfectly with my fucking ability. 20% more damage to blinded enemies. We don't have enough time to get through it.
Here we do.
Oh.
I need to, I'll save it later.
Oh, we're gonna stay a lot later. Choose your talent, bitch boy.
Performing a cover to cover brings 10%.
You can also skip it if it's not good. Get money.
Woohoo.
You have no choice. You have to prepare for the arena.
Room selected. Difficulty rating.
Don't we get to get that thing after, like another weapon and then
Yeah.
what you call it?
Hostile
Yeah, there's one to our
construction
right and then there's
initiated.
another one across the room. Okay. That's all I can see.
I'm gonna blind the one to our right.
Okay, and then I'll blow them up.
Blind! Oh, that higher damage came in wonders. Sniper. Sniper down.
Got him.
Look at that fella. On our right again.
Fair shot of the
Can I shoot?
Are the bullets? Okay. I'm gonna blind that guy. Oh, rockets!
Gotcha, bitch.
I got it.
No, you did not.
I got the kill for it. I said I got the kill. Fuck you.
No way. Fuck you.
I got the recording, but yes. Melee attacks instantly kill non-elite enemies.
Oh my god, I got that too!
Yes. I'll fucking take that.
+% critical hit chance.
I think we get the same options every time.
Did you get Sandman, Adaptive Instincts, and
I don't know.
Dr. Home?
I don't know. I don't know the fucking name, but I recognize that 30 headshot one. Stat upgrade.
That's it.
I need damage.
Devastating. Yeah, I need damage.
Alright, next round, let's go. My bald ass head.
AKM. Pistol, or assault rifle? Well, that's a pretty... Oh, that's such a hard choice, Drake.
SMG, pistol, or machine gun? Machine gun. My assault rifle is terrible.
Do I get to choose?
Nope. Fuck you.
Please, Drake, please, 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 please. Please, Drake.
Room selected. Difficulty rating. High value target. Entering
Lower door
new
over here.
location. Difficulty rating.
I'm gonna blind the guys.
You can do this shit.
Fuck you, get blind. He did blind him. He did not blind him. His back broken. Run! Ah!
Science critical.
I'm down.
Agent incapacitated. Agent down.
Oh yeah.
Son of a bitch.
Oh yeah.
Agent vital signs 0.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Peak.
Bullshit.
Peak. That guy's a flamethrower AK.
Fucking suck.
They're so good.
Might have time to try one more, but I
Okay.
think I gotta go with that. We cleared 2 mediums and 2 hards.
Facility
Capital, I
detected.
don't care.
Combat simulation program active.
I know how to play Descent. I just played.
Would you like to learn?
I can't see anything.
Would you like to learn?
Drake, I'm still in Descent.
Bro needs to descend.
I can't enter my map.
Oh,
Drake,
what the fuck? What the fuck?
Drake, I'm stuck in Descent.
Shade tech prohibited.
You're not even in my party
Access
anymore.
denied.
Huh?
Deactivating shade protocols.
Oh,
Entering combat simulation program.
Oh god, okay, wait.
Combat simulation activated.
Huh, okay. Oh. Okay. Drake,
What?
I think I'm gonna go now.
Okay. That sounds like a reasonable